the performance of Group 3. We will going to demonstrate the infrared in remote control. We will try to cover the remote with the following things if it will work.
So I will cover the remote with plastic. So look at this. Okay. Oh, it's working. Go.
Near-infrared light passes through clear glass and will reflect off metal surface, including mirrors. Infrared light passes through most black plastic trash bag, so you should be able to control your television even with the remote cover and plastic.
Next, I will cover the remote with paper. Try it. It's working.
So ayan po, try po natin gamit po remote tsaka ng papel kung gagana ang TV. So let's check. Paper will scatter the infrared, but the RI will still pass through the paper, so the range over which the remote control worked might decrease. Now I'm going to cover this remote with this towel, so let's try if it will work the TV. Oh, it's working. Infrared light in the remote control, which is invisible to the eye, can penetrate through one layer of the towel. It could potentially pass fairly loose wave fabric that the light can get to the receiver or the TV.
Hi everyone, my name is G10-J.LUNA from Group 3. Here is the remote and aluminum foil. I will cover the remote with foil and we will see the TV will work. And it is result.
The infrared light can pass through the aluminum foil because the foil is thick and the color is not clear. So that's why the TV didn't work.
Now I will try this remote without cover if it will work. It's worked.